Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopify.com, and today we're in the lifestyle. In this video, two heat press machine brands will be going head to head. We have the Cricut Easy Press 2 and the Fierton heat press machine. Heat press machines allow you to transfer your designs to t-shirts, mugs, hats, and more. They can be essential tools for anyone wanting to turn their art and design into a business, or simply to add some interest to their own wardrobe. While it's possible to use a simple iron to transfer vinyl, the best heat press machines were designed specifically with this task in mind. They offer even pressure, adjustable temperatures, and inbuilt timers to make sure your projects are completed consistently time after time. For today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line electric heat press machines, the Cricut Easy Press 2 and the Fierton heat press machine, against each other in a battle of epic proportions. Both of these heat press machines have earned 5 and 4 badges respectively from our team at trustedshopify.com, attesting to their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other heat press machines that we reviewed, do check out our heat press machine review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these heat press machines will be going toe-to-toe with is their design and form factor. Design and form factor are very important factors when considering a heat press machine. Some machines are bulky and industrial looking, which are perfect for factories and professional settings. Some machines, on the other hand, have very fun designs that make them attractive choices for hobbyists or novices who are looking to expand their knowledge with easy-to-understand tools. Cricut is known for making easy-to-use crafting machines for hobbies or those with small businesses, and the Cricut Easy Press 2 is no exception. It has overall dimensions of 10 by 12 by 7.6 inches. This is suitable for most clothes, especially t-shirts. At 15 pounds, it's a little on the weighty side for using all day long, but it does its job well enough to justify its weight. The Fierton heat press machine boasts an advanced heat plate design with a ceramic-coated surface. It measures 12 by 10 by 6 inches with a weight of just 10.53 pounds. Aside from that, it comes in over 5 color selections, so you can choose a finish that suits your style best. In terms of design and form factor, the Fierton heat press machine has the edge over the Easy Press 2 thanks to its colorful selection of finishes. It wins this category and earns the first point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their range of use. A heat press machine is most popular for pressing shirts and t-shirts. However, it can also be used for other applications. After all, a heat press machine is basically a kind of commercial-grade iron that applies heat and pressure to a garment. For this reason, it's a mandatory tool in almost every kind of custom t-shirt printing, as well as a very useful tool for other types of decoration. Fortunately for both these heat press machines, they're designed with a wide range of uses in mind. The Easy Press 2 is a multi-purpose machine that makes it easy to take on any heat transfer vinyl or sublimation project that comes your way. During our testing, we found that whichever project you choose, you can be confident in its precise temperature control. The Fierton heat press machine, on the other hand, also has a wide range of uses. It doesn't just transfer thermal transfer stickers, but it can also print on sublimation paper. The Easy Press 2 is a clear winner for this category, thanks to its variety of applications on top of cloth and paper. It earns 1 point and ties up the battle at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their temperature range. Temperature range is one of the first things people look for in the heat press. This is for good reason, as the temperature range of your heat press largely affects the types of materials you can work on. T-shirts usually require no more than 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but thicker garments like hoodies and sweatshirts may need more. During our product testing, the team found that the Easy Press 2 has precise temperature control, thanks to its ceramic-coated surface, which allows for exact temperature control of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. On top of this, it can be monitored and regulated with an integrated timer. The Fierton machine, however, is not being outshined either. This beast of a machine is capable of going all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Clearly, the Fierton heat press machine is the better machine in terms of pure heating power. For this reason, we're giving it this round's point as it takes the lead with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their safety features. Safety is something that often gets overlooked when talking about the best heat press machines. However, we implore you to consider this way of thinking and instead place safety at the top of the list. For this category, we shall be evaluating each machine's safety features that'll help make your workshop or factory space more secure. The Easy Press 2 has an insulated safety base that helps sustain much of the excess heat that comes as a result of extended use. Aside from that, the auto shut-off features provide peace of mind so you can devote more of your time to focusing on your craft instead of worrying about other things. The Fierton heat press machine, on the other hand, boasts an impressive 3 layers of heat-resistant construction, which insulates the external casing from the heat. The heating components also feature a shut-off function for overheating. Although both machines have great safety features that keep you away from harm, we will give this round to the Fierton heat press machine, which goes the extra mile to provide safety to each and every working session for you and your workers. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of use. A good heat press machine must be intuitive and easy to use. Although this won't be a problem, if you have an experienced professional handling the machine, it's still worth thinking about if an amateur will be doing it. Automatic heat presses are usually easier to use, as they require less knowledge about different materials, printing times, and types of transfer. However, we remind you that this isn't to say you can do this with no previous training or research. The EasyPress 2 makes heat transfer projects on many blanks a breeze. It's as easy as setting the time and temperature with the online heat guide, placing the evenly heated plate on the project, and then observing the results. Combining the speed of a heat press with the convenience of an iron, this machine gives you fast, effortless results that last. This eliminates guesswork with rigorously tested time and temperature settings for every project. As for the other competitor, the Fierton heat press machine also features an easy-to-understand press system, which comes in handy for novices and experts alike. After setting the appropriate time and temperature, you can leave it alone and do other things while it's working. After about 60 seconds or less, you'll get the ideal pattern on your t-shirts or other materials. For its overall friendlier user experience, the EasyPress 2 decisively wins this round and leaves the battle still trailing at 3-2. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of heat press machines between the Cricut EasyPress 2 and the Fierton heat press machine. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Fierton heat press machine beats the Cricut EasyPress 2 by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these heat press machines offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Fierton heat press machine has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Cricut EasyPress 2 and the Fierton heat press machine has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next heat press machine face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next updates. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.